Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can open up this pit mission in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is just simply get total score 4000, jump on stage and grind the lower bleacher. So as you can see, this is not that hard to do. Just try to do everything under 5 minutes. So as you can see, we did one. Now we need to jump on the stage, as you can see, and let's get the final score. Oh, I did fall down, so make sure to not fall down because the score will not be accepted. And as you can see, we did and complete this mission in Skate 4. So that's pretty much it. That's how you open this pit in Hedgemont. So see you in the next one.